Hey, welcome to a short break. We're going to be using some breath work to give ourselves a fresh burst of energy in the body. You might feel fizzing, you might feel a bit buzzy after this. That's normal, that's okay. If at any point it feels too much, stop and breathe normally. You've got more than enough energy you'll have created up until that point. I recommend sitting down for this one, somewhere nice and comfortable. You can also lay down on the floor if you want to. Get nice and long in the spine, get soft in the body. We're going to breathe in nice and long, preferably through the nose if you can. Use the belly, then the chest, and then exhale nice and quick. I'll show you one. You can try with me if you want. So when you're ready, take an exhale. Nice long breath in. Start in the belly, move up into the chest. Quick exhale. Long breath in. Quick exhale. Long breath in. Quick exhale. Keep it going. Whatever rhythm feels good for you. Long breath in. Quick exhale. To the mouth after this next one. Long breath in through the mouth. Quick exhale. Long breath in. Quick exhale. Your own rhythm now. Three more. Last one, long breath in and hold. Hold the breath. Hold the breath. Absorb some of that fresh fuel. You might feel a fizz, you might feel some fresh oxygen move into the brain. Exhale, relax. Take a moment. You might need to smile, you might want to giggle, you might feel there's a fizz or a buzz, you might feel elevated. You might feel something completely different. All of it's fine, all of it's normal. And when you feel ready to open the eyes and come back into your environment, blinking the eyes open. Use some of that energy. Go on with whatever you're doing next. Thank you so much for taking a break with me, and I'll see you again soon.
For more breathwork content, live work sessions, and an array of recharge content that can help you regain your focus, unwind, or ramp up your energy, head over to www.flown.com.